For question number 1, we're looking at the WordMatch class. It has a private secret string member. It has a constructor that puts that together. It has a scoreGuess method that you'll implement in part A, and it has a find better guess method that you'll implement in part B. For question 1A, you're writing the WordMatch method scoreGuess. To determine the score to be returned, scoreGuess finds the number of times that guess occurs as a substring of secret, and then multiplies that number by the square of the length of guess. Occurrences of guess may overlap within secret. For the code for 1A, you're writing the scoreGuess method. You initialize the score variable to 0 and occurrence variable to 0, and the guessLen variable to the length of guess. You go over each character in secret, and then you check if guess string appears at the start of the current substring you're looking at. So secret.substring I.index of guess equals 0. If that's the case, increment occurrence by 1, and then at the end you return the score as it was described in the question, which is occurrence times length squared. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.